To share on the topic, we won't be so boring to share about all the technicals. We will actually be sharing more on what AI really means for you guys. And of course, the AI dilemma, when we first heard about it, what AI can do, sorry, it's not like that. First of all, okay, Xiaoqi is not my girlfriend, so we brought them here. It's actually behind the back-end engine, it's linked to our LLM, etc. Show you what we can actually do. So when a lot of us coming across to AI, we have a lot of struggle. What is the strategy to use when it comes to AI? What is it about? A lot of them don't understand. I got my SAP, I got my other engines or my other systems. Why do I still need an intelligent or AI, even a ChatGPT? Like I say, because it helped me cheat and do a lot of PPT like this. I think a lot of you guys, I won't share that, but most of us actually use that to help us to do a lot of decision making, providing us the data. And also the next question in business will be the ROI. As you all know, when it comes to AI, a lot of us is worried about NVIDIA chipset, all this, which is very expensive for the normal day-to-day people. Then here comes also what AI can promise you guys. Okay, of course, it won't say that it will make life better, I can just stay home. No, it actually helps me to make smarter decisions. So easier for us, it's just like our scorecards. You want to make a certain decision, it can able to assist us. Also, it helps us to automate certain tasks, which later I will share more. At the end of the day, it also to adapt to user needs. Okay, example, common use like call centers, when using all of us using the mobile phone now. When you hit the issue, we call ISPs or our service provider. I won't name names, but when we call them, we call the customer service support, etc. So what AI can actually promise you is to help you automate all this and really let the work group focus on bigger, better issues that cannot be solved by computer themselves. Usually we call that the level 2 or the level 3 support. So before further ado, let me show you guys our company profile.
Welcome to the future, a world where AI seamlessly enhances every part of life, from smart, sustainable energy to digital twins for real-time control, to intelligent bots that simplify daily life. We bring AI within everyone's reach, driving digital transformation for a better tomorrow. ASIX, your AI solution.
Thank you. Why I actually shows that is commercial short video is actually what ASIX does in the summary for all our customers right now. And why we have this to share our vision, why to become Indonesian AI leader. There's a reasons. So in 2023, under former President Jokowi and his meeting together with President Xi, as you all know, AI in China is very well versed, automated hotels, automated unmanned cars, etc. So during the One Belt One Road and the maritime meeting, the agreement, they are wanting to bring AI and also AI eco partner system into Indonesia to help us to grow the business and the market. So in this case, at that time they have selected from China Mobile, and in Indonesia Cinemas. So under the DSS wing, so ASIX board, and this is further being supported by our current President Prabowo during 2024 during his initial meeting when he first got in place with President Xi, and he came out with a budget to push or to invest further into AI, into agriculture, into technology, about almost $10 billion funds in the total. That's why in our case of ASIX, we are trying to bring about AI into Indonesia to help businesses, help the local community, and also to bring about better life to all the people here in Indonesia. That's why we are hoping that working with partners, bringing about empowering all Indonesians to making AI, to make it more accessible from the GPU to the service, etc. We provide end-to-end service for our customers and hope that we are able to resolve it. That's why today I'll share. So without further ado, let me go to the next topic. So as you all know, a lot of people are saying that we've got a lot of digital twin, other than saying that it's actually a very fanciful replication of maybe your office, your warehouse, or your city. A lot of people were asking, why do I need it? Okay, it's not because I want to make it a very beautiful items, but rather how can it be able to help us to do certain automation, certain monitoring. So besides on saying of that, let me share certain videos of even one first our office that we actually do a digital thing. So this is a quick, rather quick one. So as you all know, on IoT, you got a lot of different sensors, really monitoring. You got your CCTV, monitoring, video analysis, etc. So what we actually do for end-to-end to deploy for our officers, each of the staff, whenever they are moving in between, in case they got an SOS button, fall off, etc., we be able to check the CCTV feeds that is during that time for them, and then the closest to them the camera. So you don't have to go and search, getting the security guard 24/7 sitting in front of the CCTV system which we have and do all this viewing. And the next time is also to view about, so we can be able to get alerts from them when some of our machines is in trouble. So the deployment of even the indoor tracking, it takes 2 hours. It takes about the deployment less than a day. So we actually came out working with partners with tech that call is Atlas Link Bluetooth mesh network that can be deployed in outdoor and indoor. So in this case, each of them when they're wearing our normal staff pass card, we can be able to track them. So the same technology can be used for hospitals, for patients, even in mines or dangerous areas. So the digital twin of all these can exact location, telling us where to send the people to in case of needs or when they are in trouble, and help you to know the actual fact and also do simulation. So later I explain more. So going to the next one, I'm going to share actually is the short video clip of cold storage. So the digital twin don't just showing a beautiful layout. It actually is linked to even your SAP, your stock-in system, telling you your exact stock current location. So when we do a warehouse, whether it's a warehouse need expansion, do I need to move the goods out, do I need to do additional temporary rental? This is able to tell me that. And two, if I'm a warehouse logistic person, I got a new deal coming in, do I have sufficient space? Do I need to do certain movement throughout my whole warehouse itself? With the previous data, we are able to use the engine to do simulation to tell you that. So for the business owner or the management to be able to make intuitive decision making. Last but not least, I believe all of you have heard about smart cities as such. So during our one sharing case with the Lampung City, we did for a metro of Lampung, a 5 kilometer of the digital twin, telling them that how the smart city can actually help them to assist them. So a lot of them, one of the question will be deployment, traffic, or assignment of people. As you can see, they'll be able to monitor the street traffic through their video. We alerting them, and whenever there is a certain disaster or we put on the sensors, a fire and alarm, they can be able to check. And we can even bind on to the police, their walkie-talkie or their phone or even the apps, know who are the one closer where we can send them. Saving lives is the main key. So these are why the digital twin able to let them to see and do a monitoring. And so I want to share that AI don't replace people. It actually free them for doing all the repetitive jobs. Example, I can have a guy watching the video, nowadays video sprint 24/7, having shift, or I can have the AI to do that, free that guy up and then to able to serve the 20% customers that really have the need. Example, those that actually found out in the office, in the hospital, or the nurses don't have to be there to do the monitoring. So that's what AI is here to help. Of course, another one is sharing about, as you guys know, we're sharing about all the different type of AI bots we have, the chat bot, the talk bot, or call bot, okay, and also digital avatar. But what it all means in short, I'm not too sure about most of you. I used to be doing sales. One of the job I hate most to be sharing is cold calling. So most of the time it affects my day-to-day emotion. Sometimes I don't even want to do that. So any sales job that I go next to tell me to do a cold call, I tell them, sorry, I don't want to do it. So what we actually do, we work with experts. So I'm always jealous of those who can really be good at talking. Throw out the phones like the Wolf of Wall Street. I take out the phone and sell me that kind of stuff. I can't do that. So what we do, we work with experts, coming with AI, large language model, and also the GTS or the audio. We come up with all the different scripts for the system to call out the customer. So it can be like when they do a call, so hey, dear sir, ma'am, I have a 500,000 idea repair for you. Have you used it yet? And they go on, okay, I'm not an expert, so I can't do that. So all these jobs, there's a cold calling, is being done by the AI or the system itself. So when customers are irritated, they slam the phone, okay, sorry, my computer don't feel the pain. Then when actually customers really do want to buy, then all those call centers officers, I can push them to be sales. So what on top of their basic, they just go and get the deal signed, get the paperwork done. That's what this AI is actually able to help them. Or two, when we first coming to Indonesia, no need to hide, I had a problem with Bahasa, so asking me to come up with a promotional video, it can't be done. Same like some of our counterparts from China. So what we do, we did the avatar. There's two ways, interactive and non-interactive. Maybe I can share a short clip of it.
Di Indonesia ada sebuah peribahasa, yaitu serumpun bagai serai, seliang bagai tebu. Peribahasa ini dengan gamblang menjelaskan arti indahnya koeksistensi dan kesejahteraan bersama. Di era dengan kemungkinan yang tak terbatas ini, setiap kerjasama yang tulus merupakan kekuatan yang berharga untuk mendorong kemajuan peradaban manusia.
So actually share, this is really a fake one. But the person is the real. What we actually do, we take a very short clip of him, mimic certain of his voice, we take a short recording of a 20 minute. And wherever Mr. Gauss goes, he's actually one of the GTI Forum 6G CEO. So in this case, wherever he goes, we'll do the promotional videos. We don't have to have him to spend the time. We haven't saved the time. As you know, all these leaders, they are busy. So we can use AI to help them in this area also. So of course, we also know that every business is unique. That's why we design and tailor our AI businesses to suit 80% of those jobs. The other 20, we will use our experts, our colleagues who are in the scientists in this arena to go and understand from you and do the tailoring. So these are below, I won't go through each and every one. They are just some of those enterprises services that we have deployed for our customers, also from our eco partners in China and the rest of the world, not just China itself. And of course, last but not least, we cannot emphasize the importance. Okay, we got everything smart. Of course, no Spider-Man always like to say, great power comes with great responsibilities, right? I tell you, got everything AI, remember to keep your back door shut. So security is the next one that we want to secure. Because we automate everything, imagine your video camera, your alarm system, your fire alarm being triggered, even your car can be automatically driven by AI itself. So you don't want people to manual that. So in this portion, of course, we look into it, part of it will be on cybersecurity. So in the past, I won't go into the details of saying that, oh, my firewall is better, my antivirus is better. No, we talk about using AI, doing predictive management. So as you all know, there's a World Wide Web, but I think most of us now know there's also a dark web. So what this AI actually do, our NOC, our NOC or SOC also runs 24/7. What is different? Instead of having 100 plus people, we only have 24%. We let the AI do the tracking in the internet, crawling for data 24/7 to check that is there anything regarding news in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in WeChat, in dark web regarding our clients, and then we do the predictive approach. We know that somebody is releasing some of these company data for our clients. We do blockage. We put honey bombs, and that's how we do end-to-end for our customers, automatically by AI. That reduce the manpower, and we get the geniuses that is in this so-called dark web hackers and such. We will share the names because these people are highly wanted, and sometimes they cannot get out of some places. So we have both the East and the West combination. We don't want to just party why we say co-partners, because in security, there can never be only one source. We have multiples. So we work with a team or eco-partner system on this space for the AI. And for that, I come to the end of my presentation and sharing session. Feel free to go to our booth to look for us. We'll be more than happy to share more. At the same time, we can test out our robot consumption on how this AI can actually help you. If you've got any question, please find us, and I think my fellow colleagues are more than happy to help them. Once again, I hope you all enjoy the session, and thank you all. Thank you.